Good evening time, everybody. 018 here. We've got a Texas Star 250 DX250. It's a cover. I don't have no meter cover. If I had one, I'd put it on there in a meter, but I don't have one. You can get them whole meters off eBay. They're not hard to put in. But anyway, there's the two panels out of those blow. Did that, redid the bias resistors, and put two new HGs in it. It's now a 350 instead of a 250. But still over work. Check it out real good. Alright, we'll start out with our straight through SWR. It's like we always do. Worldwide 0. Turn on high, input SWR. Worldwide, very little, worldwide. Output reflect, 5 on reverse. Worldwide, just a little. 500 watt slug, average power, reading that middle scale. Worldwide, over 100, about 100. 500 watt slug, PEP. Worldwide, about 290. 1000 watt slug, peak, this meter's just a little tighter. Worldwide, this is about 285. Worldwide, almost 290. Worldwide. She's up to 6, got her going. I said, you want a new meter, you can get them off eBay, they're not hard to find. Worldwide. Get old dog. There she is, she's up and running. Just want to show you a little video. Oh, the meter and everything works. Worldwide, works in all stages too. Okay folks, thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Your friend 10 018 Beavis. Catch you later.